Thank you.
Ayan. O si Jody naman, paano mo describe si Miss Gloria? Hindi ka ba na-starstruck na siyempre? Miss Universe yan.
The very first time I worked with Miss U, I call her kasi Miss U.
We call her Miss U sa iyo.
Miss U. 2002, 2003 when we did Star Circle Quest.
With Luis Manzano sa co-host.
Kami ni Luis yung nag-host, and then si Miss U, si Direct Lauren, and si Tito Boy.
Ayun.
Yung mga jurors ng time na yun. Of course, hindi ba namang hindi masa-starstruck sa isang Miss Universe, diba? Yes.
Wala.
Kasi 2003 yun, so and what I like about Miss U, she's very frank. Wala siyang BS sa mga sasabihin niya. Sasabihin niya isang bagay for what it is. Hindi uso sa kanya ang sugar coating. And sometimes, sa mundo na ginagalawan natin, napaka-importante na marinig mo yung totoo. Walang BS, walang sugar coating. And yun yung sobrang na-appreciate ko sa kanya. And she's very, anyway, ang dami niyang, diet na pambaon. And she would always share her meals with me. And wisdom.
Ayan, speaking of wisdom, so anong wisdom ang share niya sa'yo na hindi mo makakalimutan?
Alam mo si Jody Gante, may ugali yan na chismisan mo yan, nakakalimutan niya na naman yung kwento. Tingnan mo, ito ko
Pa-share naman daw. Ayun, may mga nag-shoutout. Pa-share naman daw.
Is it worthy of sharing or hindi naman? O, lumalap sila lahat kung nalaman.
Naingit kami sa happiness yun.
Mamaya daw siguro sa TV.
So ano lang yung wisdom na...
Just to enjoy life. Diba? Kasi Tita also loves to travel. Eh ako, I love to travel as well. So, enjoy life. And enjoy every single moment. Kasi, pag lumampas na yun, wala na, hindi mo na maibabalik. So, enjoy the now. Enjoy the present moment.
Subukan mo naman, Carlos. You won't hear the end of it. Magkakaala. Sige, Miss Janice, you're good na?
May isa pa akong question.
What I told her, once upon a time, remember, the last shoot, the last day you did is your best, that's your best reflection of your work. The last day you take is always your best reflection of your work. Kung you're so tired na, pwede yan. Okay, that can be fine.
Miss Janice, she will forever be your best Miss Universe.
Yes. The favorite Miss Universe.
Oh, sure. Hindi ka magpapasyon sa shoot ba din yung pagiging naturalist yun, no?
Yes, walang sugar coating sabi nga. Pero ito isa pa akong question kay Jody. Kasi Jody, hindi naman ito yung first na horror story mo kasi may Clarita ka nga na sobrang din, di ba? Sobrang nakakatakot din. Pero pag gumagawa kasi ng horror, may mga ilan na naaapektuhan at nadadala mentally sa bahay, sa personal life. Ikaw ba, nakakatulong ba yung masayang love life mo ngayon para hindi ka maapektuhan sa bigat ng horror na ginawa mo?
Do you connect your personal life to anything that you do, Mare? Like a genre like this?
My process as an actor is different. So what I do is, it's so important for us actors to be embarked on different techniques and workshops. Kasi each and every time na ginagawa kang trabaho, kumbaga these workshops, parang work as your tools. Siyempre, hindi ka pupunta sa isang gera na wala kang baril, wala kang gala, wala kang sandata. So, the technique that I am using does not really require me to parang magbukas ng bahol from my personal life or from my childhood or mga ganyan para gamitin ko siya. So, it's a technique that I learned during the pandemic, which I